Imagine a world without plants. No towering trees, no vibrant flowers, no lush green meadows. It's hard to picture, isn't it? Plants are the architects of our world, providing us with the very air we breathe and the food we eat. And at the heart of their remarkable abilities lies a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is like a magical recipe that plants use to turn sunlight into food. It's a process so fundamental that it sustains nearly all life on Earth. Like humans, plants need energy to grow, reproduce and thrive, but instead of getting energy from eating, plants have evolved a way to harness the power of the sun. In essence, photosynthesis is a series of chemical reactions that occur within the cells of plants, algae and some bacteria. These reactions transform light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of sugars. These sugars, like glucose, are the building blocks of life and fuel the growth and development of plants. The first step in photosynthesis involves capturing the sun's energy. This is where chlorophyll, the pigment that gives plants their green color, comes into play. Chlorophyll molecules reside within specialized compartments called chloroplasts, which are found in plant cells. Chlorophyll as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts like a solar panel, absorbing light energy from the sun, particularly in the red and blue wavelengths. When sunlight strikes a chlorophyll molecule, it excites an electron, boosting its energy level. This energized electron then embarks on a journey through a series of protein complexes, initiating the chain of reactions that drive photosynthesis. While chlorophyll is busy capturing sunlight, another crucial ingredient enters the picture: water. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots, and this water plays a critical role in photosynthesis. Within the chloroplasts, water molecules undergo a process called photolysis, which literally means light splitting. Water molecule as water molecule. During photolysis, light energy absorbed by chlorophyll is used to split water molecules into their constituent atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. This step is significant for two reasons. First, it releases oxygen as a byproduct, which is essential for the survival of animals, including humans. Second, it provides the hydrogen atoms needed to build glucose, the primary sugar produced during photosynthesis. The splitting of water molecules releases energy, but this energy needs to be captured and transferred to other molecules involved in photosynthesis. This is where two important energy carriers come in: ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. ATP as ATP. Think of ATP and NADPH as rechargeable batteries that store and transport energy within the cell. ATP is like a small, readily available battery, NADPH as NADDPH, while NADPH is a larger battery that can carry energy over longer distances. During the light-dependent reactions of photosynthesis, the energy from excited electrons is used to convert ADP, adenosine diphosphate, into ATP and NADP+, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate, into NADPH. These energized molecules then carry the captured energy to the next stage of photosynthesis, the Calvin cycle. Section 5, the sugar factory, the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle, also known as the light-independent reactions or the dark reactions, is where the actual synthesis of glucose takes place. This cycle occurs in the stroma, the fluid-filled space surrounding the thylakoids within the chloroplasts. The Calvin cycle is like a sugar factory, using the energy stored in ATP and NADPH to convert carbon dioxide from the atmosphere into glucose. This process involves a series of enzymatic reactions that fix carbon dioxide molecules onto a 5-carbon sugar called ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate or RuBP. Through a series of rearrangements and reductions, two 3-carbon molecules called glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate or G3P are produced. One G3P molecule exits the cycle to form glucose and other sugars, while the remaining G3P molecules are recycled to regenerate RuBP, ensuring the cycle can continue. Section 6, fueling growth, how plants use glucose. The glucose produced during photosynthesis is the primary source of energy for plants. It's like the fuel that powers their growth, development, and reproduction. Plants use glucose in various ways. Energy production. Plants break down glucose through cellular respiration to release energy for various metabolic processes, such as growth, transport, and maintenance. Building materials. Glucose serves as a building block for synthesizing other essential molecules such as cellulose, the main structural component of plant cell walls. Storage plants store excess glucose as starch, a complex carbohydrate that can be broken down later when energy demands are high. By converting sunlight into glucose, plants provide the foundation for most food chains on Earth. They are the primary producers, capturing and storing energy from the sun that is then passed on to herbivores, carnivores, and ultimately to us. Section 7. Oxygen, a vital byproduct. While glucose is the primary product of photosynthesis, it's not the only one. Remember the oxygen released during the water splitting step? This oxygen is a vital byproduct of photosynthesis and is essential for the survival of most life on Earth. Oxygen, animals including humans depend on oxygen for respiration, the process of releasing energy from food. During respiration, oxygen is used to break down glucose, releasing energy, carbon dioxide, and water. This exchange of gases between plants and animals highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Section 8. Photosynthesis and the web of life. Photosynthesis is the foundation of most ecosystems on Earth. It's the process that sustains the vast majority of life, directly or indirectly. Plants, algae, and some bacteria that perform photosynthesis are known as autotrophs, meaning self-feeders. They are the primary producers, capturing energy from the sun and converting it into a form that other organisms can use. Herbivores, the primary consumers, obtain their energy by eating plants. Carnivores, the secondary and tertiary consumers, obtain their energy by eating herbivores or other carnivores. And decomposers, such as bacteria and fungi, break down dead organic matter, returning nutrients to the soil for plants to use. This intricate web of life is entirely dependent on the ability of photosynthetic organisms to capture sunlight and convert it into usable energy. Photosynthesis is the engine that drives the Earth's ecosystems, providing the food, oxygen, and energy that all living things rely on. Section 9. The delicate balance threats to photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a remarkably efficient process, but it's not immune to threats. Human activities, particularly those that contribute to climate change, pose significant risks to the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Deforestation, pollution, and rising global temperatures can all negatively impact photosynthesis. Deforestation reduces the number of trees available to absorb carbon dioxide, leading to increased greenhouse gas emissions. Pollution can damage plant tissues and reduce their ability to photosynthesize efficiently. And rising temperatures can disrupt the delicate balance of water availability and enzyme activity, affecting plant growth and productivity. Section 10. Protecting our green allies. Given the crucial role of photosynthesis in sustaining life on Earth, it's imperative that we take steps to protect our green allies. By understanding the factors that threaten photosynthesis, we can make informed decisions to mitigate our impact on the environment. Reducing our carbon footprint, conserving water, and protecting existing forests are essential steps in the right direction. We can also support research efforts aimed at developing more resilient crops that can withstand the challenges of a changing climate. Section 11. Photosynthesis, a symphony of life. Photosynthesis is a testament to the ingenuity and interconnectedness of life on Earth. It's a complex and elegant process that has sustained life for billions of years, transforming our planet into the vibrant and diverse biosphere we know today. From the tiniest algae to the tallest trees, photosynthetic organisms play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of photosynthesis, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life and the importance of protecting the natural world that sustains us all.